Hey, please watch this short video and you will get the answers you are seeking.
Affiliate marketing is so easy in theory that it's become one of the hardest ways to make money online. Why? Competition. Thanks to the belief that affiliate marketing makes money fall from the sky, hundreds of new marketers jump in every day, making it harder than ever to bank consistent commissions. Hey, this is Glenn Kosky, dedicated affiliate marketer for over 7 years and a member of the ClickBank Platinum Club. I won't sugarcoat it, things were a lot easier just a few years ago. Back then, I could send 1 or 2 simple emails to an offer and make hundreds or even thousands of dollars per promo. Now there's a lot more work involved. You need to make videos, write detailed product reviews, offer stacks of relevant bonuses, study the market to see what's working, then wrap it all up into a slick review site, drive traffic, and do this for every single promo if you want to bank serious commissions in an industry jam-packed with competition. Most new or struggling affiliate marketers don't have the time or budget to do what it takes, so they settle for puny commissions while top affiliates rake in 95% of the cash. That's why I chose to level the playing field to give everyone the ability to bank life-changing affiliate commissions without the costs, hard work, or hassles. Introducing 10x Profit Sites. 10x Profit Sites is your one-stop solution for banking big-time commissions, and all it takes is 3 super simple steps to start seeing real results online. Step 1, purchase 10x Profit Sites. Quickly grab a copy before the price increases. Please note the price is increasing every 60 minutes, so please be quick. Step 2, log into the cloud-based app. Log in, configure some very basic settings, and enter your affiliate links. Step 3, get free buyer traffic, leads, and sales. Hit the get traffic button to enjoy free buyer traffic and instant success with your brand new site in as little as 60 seconds or less. Yes, it really is that easy. Even if you're brand new, have no list, or don't have the time it takes to run a full-time business, because everything from A to Z is literally done for you. Yes, that's a huge claim, but below this message you'll see proof from dozens of users thrilled with their results. 10x Profit Sites automates your affiliate marketing for you. You get a turnkey website that's packed with over 15 evergreen top quality offers from the world's biggest and most successful affiliate network, ClickBank, where you get to keep 100% of the commissions from every sale. As a ClickBank Platinum vendor and super affiliate, I know what sells, so I have personally selected each offer from the ClickBank marketplace to maximize your conversions. For each product, you get a professionally written review, including overall ratings, pros and cons, and related offers, a demo of the product in action, stunning graphics, and customized call to actions, all bundled into your very own authority ClickBank review site with all the bells and whistles, including 100% free hosting for your site on our premium servers. You even get the ability to add banner ads and Google AdSense to your sites for extra revenue. Each hand-selected product is optimized to sell and put commissions in your back pocket. You won't have to write a single word of content, create videos, or even worry about traffic. It's all done for you. This is your chance to become a ClickBank super affiliate by leveraging all of our hard work. 10x Profit Sites also includes a massive vault of over 100 premium bonuses, so you can use as incentives for any offer as often as you like. So you can customize each offer with your own hand-selected bonuses to skyrocket conversions. Your custom site promotes products from ClickBank, the world's biggest affiliate network, which has enabled us to crush it, generating huge commissions every single day. Powerful one-click social sharing and included SEO drives you 100% free traffic to your review site, so you can forget about paid ads. 10x Profit Sites is truly 3 steps simple. Step 1, purchase 10x Profit Sites. Quickly grab a copy before the price increases. Please note the price is increasing every 60 minutes, so please be quick. Step 2, log into the cloud-based app. Log in, configure some very basic settings, and enter your affiliate links. Step 3, get free buyer traffic, leads, and sales. Hit the get traffic button to enjoy free buyer traffic and instant success with your brand new site in as little as 60 seconds or less. Finally, you can bank like a super affiliate without any of the work or the daily costs. 10x Profit Sites is all yours for an incredibly low one-time price during this exclusive launch. That means no ongoing payments, hosting included to save you thousands per year, a massive vault of premium giveaways to skyrocket your conversions, plus multiple high-valued bonuses to take your results to the next level when you act right now. Below this message, you'll see complete details and results from real users of this world-class automated system. Now, at this point, you're probably thinking that this unique commission-generating app is going to cost you an absolute fortune. And yes, under normal circumstances, you'd be 100% right to think that, considering most software's tools and resources that do similar tasks not only start at $297, but typically charge at least $197 per month to run. But today, you won't be paying $197 per month. you won't even be paying $97 a month. No, not even $97 per month. As we want as many people to succeed with this software, we've decided to remove the monthly fee completely. When you act during the limited launch period, you won't be paying monthly at all. In fact, we're going to give you an amazing deal. When you act right now, you can get in for a one-time price without any monthly fees. You can literally get in for less than the price of a couple of fancy coffees at Starbucks. And it gets even better. When you act right now, you'll also get more than 70 plus brand new money-making bonuses worth thousands absolutely free. You can see all the juicy details below, but please note, these bonuses are not your typical PLR bonuses like you're used to seeing. Each one of these premium bonuses can easily be sold for at least $100 each, but you're going to get them absolutely free. And to make this a complete no-brainer, we're totally removing all of the risk with our unheard of, no questions asked, 180-day money-back guarantee. Yep, that's right, you're getting 180 days to try this out. If it doesn't work out for you, contact our support desk and we'll get you a prompt refund. Wait, there's even more. If you can prove you followed the 3 super simple newbie steps and still haven't made a dime with this software, we'll PayPal you $75 in compensation for wasting your time. This is an absolute no-brainer. That's how confident we are you'll see success with your brand new profit site. The only way you can lose is if you don't take action on this incredible deal right now. Log in, get your site set up and see success, or you walk off with $75 to spend on anything you want. So hurry and take action right now, because the price of 10x profit sites is increasing every 60 minutes. If you come back later, you will pay more, and we don't want you to miss out. If you want to make a real change in your life with our brand new 100% done for you cloud-based app, click the buy now button below right now to lock in your discount and get instant access to 10x profit sites at a mind-blowing one-time price. Check below for even more details about this incredible brand new cloud-based app, then hurry to lock in your access at this incredible discount. I'll see you on the inside.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click the link below in order to find out more.